then after breastfeeding. Nanjing lady, 1 orthodox and 1 egg staff. Can't invite one person. You can have an abortion, but you can't hire someone. I want Nanjing egg staff to make do with it. This center just came to the red corner of March. If it is wrong, it will become a platform. It is the politics of the soul of Arias. This said that there are also men in Taijiang to tell. It's forever. Some girls' uteruses are too lazy to give birth. Uterine month cannot be born. Posterior refractory. If there is a tumor in the uterus, it cannot be born. The uterus is too high to give birth. Menstruation is too slow to give birth. And his old man for thousands of years. I can see my parents so clearly. You have to pay. Understand. What about some men who can't have children? The spirit of a man is wrong and cannot be born. Some even go through the fetal gate. His pinching burst started to fail in his abdomen. Some full moons should come out. How is it? How is it? Well, at least you saw him 2,000 or 3,000 years ago. He is concerned about this physiological. Science has to go so clearly. Why? Really amazing. Exactly the same as now.